Okay, on with the challenge questions of exercise or chapter 5. Okay, so the first one is find the area of the triangle. So we have A is -2 minus 2, and we have B is 13, 8, and we have C is -4, 14. So I think it's probably wise that we draw that and have a little look at it. Okay, so -2 minus 2 is here for A. Okay, 13, 8, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so 13, 13, 8, 4, 6, 8 is over here somewhere for B, and -4, 14, 8, 10, 12, 14, way up there for C. Okay, so hopefully with that now we can see that they are not going to form a right angle. Okay, doesn't look like there's any right angle on that triangle. So you might want to start looking at perpendiculars. But what I'm going to look for in this case is I am going to look for the length of each side. So the length of AB, and it goes from -2 to 13, so that's 15, 15 squared, and goes from -2 to 8, so that's 10, plus 10 squared. Alright, the length of BC, so that goes from 13 across to 417. Yeah, square root of 17 squared plus, and it goes from 8 up to 14. Okay, 6 squared. And then from AC, we end up with the square root of 2 squared and 14 down to -2, that's 16 squared. Okay. So very quickly with the calculator on all of them, 15 squared plus 10 squared is equal to 5 root 13. The square root of 17 squared plus 6 squared is 5 root 13, and the square root of 2 squared plus 16 squared is 2 root 65. Okay, so what that does tell us is we do have an equilateral triangle on here and here. So we could look for a midpoint on here and then trot on across, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use something called Heron's formula. And Heron's formula states that, see that, 96 units, that's my first attempt at doing this, and it was the wrong answer, so let's hope that this one works better. So, Heron's formula states that the area of a triangle is equal to the square root of s times s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where a, b, and c are the length of the sides, and s is equal to a plus b plus c all over 2. So, plus 5 root 13 plus 5 root 13. Divided by 2. So root 65 plus 5 root 13. Okay, so underneath here we end up with the square root of square root of 65 plus 5 root 13. And I think, given how many times I'm going to write that out, okay, minus a 5 root 13 minus b, which is 5 root 13, minus c, which is 2 root 65. Okay, put them where they're meant to be. Okay, and with all of that in, we can then put it into the formula, into the calculator, and see what we get. Okay, after plugging all of that into the calculator, you get the square root of 16900, which is equal to 130 units squared. Okay, I think we might do these 3 challenge questions as separate videos.